Have you ever started something with excitement, but quit halfway through? You're not alone. The secret to success, health, wealth, and happiness isn't talent. It's consistency. But how do you master it? Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to stay consistent in life, no matter what. 1. Why consistency is the key. Here's the truth. Greatness doesn't happen overnight. Think about top athletes, entrepreneurs, or even your favorite creators. What sets them apart isn't luck. It's their ability to show up every single day, even when they don't feel like it. Consistency is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Remember this, small daily efforts create massive results over time. So, let's dive into how you can become. 2. Start with a clear vision. Step 1. Get crystal clear on what you want and why you want it. If your goal doesn't excite you, staying consistent will feel like a chore. Ask yourself, what's the big picture? Is it better health? Financial freedom? A stronger relationship? Write it down, visualize it daily, and remind yourself why you started. A strong why keeps you motivated, even on tough days. 3. Set realistic goals. Step 2. Break your big dream into smaller, achievable steps. Think about it. Climbing a mountain isn't done in one jump, it's one step at a time. Create daily or weekly goals that you can hit consistently. Success isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. 4. Create a routine that works. Step 3. Build a routine around your goals. Habits make consistency automatic. Schedule your priorities into your day, whether it's 30 minutes of exercise, 15 minutes of reading, or writing one paragraph for your book. Your brain loves habits. It's like setting your life on autopilot for success. 5. Embrace discipline over motivation. Here's the game changer. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. On days you feel unmotivated, remind yourself. Discipline is the muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. 6. Track your progress and celebrate wins. Step 5. Measure your progress. Keep track of how far you've come. It'll inspire you to keep going. And don't forget to celebrate your wins. Every step forward deserves recognition. Celebrating small victories keeps you motivated for the big ones. 7. Be kind to yourself. Lastly, remember, consistency isn't about being perfect. You'll have off days, and that's okay. Forgive yourself, reset, and keep moving forward. It's not about never falling, it's about getting up every time you do. So, here's the challenge. Start today. Pick one goal and take one step. Remember, consistency beats talent every time. You've got this. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips. Let's conquer life one consistent step at a time.